guys, I hope you all enjoy my new intro. I do have a new outro too. So if you just want to go see the whole entire video, I will have them up on my channel right about now. So you will have to go check those out because those are a super good intro and outro video. So, yeah. And all the credit goes to Springy87 for making the outro for me. Thank you so much, Springy. You are literally like the best. So you're my shout out for today because you did make my intro and outro. Just saying. So today we have this jiggly slime that has beads in it. I mean, it's pretty bad. I mean, the beads do fall out like a lot. Like, a lot. But that's okay. I'm just gonna pour some more glue on here because, like, literally it's like such a bad jiggly slime in the first place, and then add beads to it, and the beads can't even stick. And it's just like, I'm sorry, beads. So. They literally, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but if you can't, you definitely need to go get, like, some hearing aids because, like, that are very much indeed hard to even miss to hear. So, yeah. I just want all these beads. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, my friend called me. But yeah, so I'm just getting all these beads out. So. Let's get those beads out. So, let me keep getting all of these out. Okay, we got all the beads out, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I missed one. It was a blue one.
Did you figure it out?
Okay, so guys, I have this new weird setup. I kind of like it, kind of don't. Let me know what you think. But I had another interruption, but we got that handled. So this is a slime. I should actually probably turn on my recording light because, here we go. So here's the slime. It's a pretty good jiggly slime, actually. I really like it. It's super glossy, and it's not like a white. It's like more like a milky white than like a pure white. If you know what I mean. But so it's pretty good, but I am gonna add some lotion to it because I don't really like it. This is just CeraVe moisturizing lotion, so just in case you were wondering. It is non-scented because I know a lot of people don't like scented lotions. So, but like I know a lot of people that do and I know a lot of people that don't. So like, just so if you want to know, CeraVe is a very fresh and good lotion because it has like no like bad stuff. And like it's just really good. No, a piece of slime fell, if you couldn't tell. So, I don't know what it is about the slime, but it just won't get, like, good, I'll say. Like, it won't get stretchy or anything. I don't know why. Like, I've never played with slime on this table before. Like, literally, this is my first time playing with slime on this one. So, it is like a super jiggly slime and I love it. Like, it is a little bit stretchier. I'm gonna make this into a cloud slime. Okay, I'm gonna do that and I will be back. Okay, so guys, I just made my cloud slime and it was literally so good. Like, watch. Just wait. This is literally so cloud fluffness, like this is so good. But guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy the outro. So I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Peace.